Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to introduce our new product behind me. This one is a wall mount the faucets using for the mop sinks. Now let me give you the measurements for the details. For these faucets, we have in the head units about like a 7 inches deep, and diameters between the two hole centers is almost about like 8 inches. As we can see, they have a unit split for you to mount on the wall, and actually you can adjust a little bit for the dimensions between the wall and the sink sizes. The dimensions you can make it go lower or upper, and they also have two controllers, one for the hot waters and the cold waters. And for this hinge, the dimensions is about like 13.5 inches long total, and for this part it's about like 3 inches deep. Thank you for watching these videos. This is all detailed information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us.